Welcome to this very quick unboxing of yet another handset I bought from eBay just a few days ago. Purchased for £2. I wanted started the bidding at £2.99, didn't have anything. So like this scavenger that I am, I always hunt for handsets that are finishing soon with the best offer, and popped in another cheeky bid for £2 and got accepted. So all things being equal, for £5.20 there should be a Siemens A62 in here, which was released in 2004, Q4, 2G handset. Sadly, we have this horror story on the back, so we're going to have to try to work out how I get the battery out. Do I know what I'm doing? Probably not. Is it straightforward? Am I just being an idiot? I'll tell you what, we'll try and switch it on first. Oh, look, am I missing something obvious? Is it just out of power? Tell you what, we could try and put some power in. So yeah, Siemens A62, £2 plus, let's see it. Excuse me while I try and access the plug. Be charging, do we think? Let's hope I haven't bought a dud. The screen pictures on eBay did indicate a working handset. Just wonder if they've swapped batteries with the one that didn't work because they didn't get the money that they were after. Are we going to work? Because if it doesn't work, you can be rest assured in the knowledge that it will be going back. What the heck? Is this oh, there, okay. Oh, there's a SIM card already. Handy. There doesn't seem to be a lot in the charging department, which is fairly alarming. No, it doesn't look like it. Which will be a bit of a shame. I don't think this is working. Like I say, the screen pictures did show a handset that was working. So what I'll do is I'll put that on wrong. I will investigate further, like the intrepid detective that I am. Just make sure everything's switched on. It is. Everything's switched on. I haven't put that in. There isn't possibly a way to put that in the wrong way, is there? No. I think I've got a couple more of them chargers somewhere. Are we going to get some life into this? I've got some Siemens A50s. I might need a different battery. Like I say, it might have been a little bit cheesed off because I put in an offer that he probably wasn't happy with. But anyway, yeah, Siemens A62, released in 2004, Q4, locked to orange apparently. I'll never know if it never switches on, so if it does work, we'll get the usual ringtones review, and if there's a decent startup and shutdown, I may just throw the whole lot into one video. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you the next time.